Hi guys, good morning to everybody. I hope you're safe and healthy upon watching this video lesson. Welcome to our music learning station. Alright, this is our first virtual lesson in music. I hope you're all ready and excited for this because I am. Alright, without further ado, let's start this video lesson. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the rhythm. Do you still remember the definition of rhythm? Rhythm is the combination or pattern of long and short sound, or it's sometimes defined as the pattern of accented and unaccented sound, right? The beat is different from the rhythm. Okay? Still remember the meaning of beat? I hope you still remember the lesson we had last year. Okay, for the review, the beat is the what? The beat is the heart of music. Can you say that after me? The beat is the heart of music. All right, good job. The beat is the heart of music. The beat is the underlying pulse in which the rhythm base its speed. Again, the beat is the underlying pulse in which the rhythm base its speed. Okay, the beat is different from rhythm. Beat is continuous pulse. Like this. It could be fast or slow or medium. Alright? The rhythm is the pattern that you're hearing. For example, somebody's playing the drums like so that is the rhythm. When you clap something like that's a rhythm. Okay? The beat is like this. I will do the beat on my foot. And I will do the rhythm on my hands by clapping. As you notice, my foot is continuously doing the beat, providing the pulse of the music, the heartbeat, how fast or how slow the music should go, while my hands is clapping the rhythm, the pattern of the long and short sound. That is the meaning of the rhythm, the pattern of long and short sound. When you combine long and short sound, you can make your own rhythm. In order for us to make our own patterns and compose our own rhythm, we need to get familiar with the kinds of notes, rests, and each duration, or how long a note, a certain note, or specific note or rest should sound. Let's watch this video.
Repeat after me, please.
Repeat after me, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm.
Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm.
Long and short sounds.
Long and short sounds.
This is a whole note.
This is a whole note.
Ta.
Ta.
This is a half note.
This is a half note.
Ta.
Ta. Ta.
This is a quarter note.
This is a quarter note.
Ta. 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 Ta.
Ta 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 ta.
This is a pair of eighth notes.
This is a pair of eighth notes.
T. 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 T.
T t t t t t t t.
Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm.
Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm.
Long and short sound.
Long and short sounds.
End of repeat, please.
End of repeat, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you hear that?
What?
The metronome.
The metronome? What's that?
The metronome is a musical device that is used to keep time in music. The ticking that you hear sounds regularly to allow the musician to keep a consistent rhythm while playing music.
Knowing this, can we start a rock band now?
Well, we have to take it slow. First, we have to learn the musical notes. Today, I want to tell you about the quarter note, eighth note, and 16th note. Each one of these notes also has a rest beat. We will talk about that too. Look, it's a quarter note, and its sound lasts one beat. We hear the quarter note between two ticks on the metronome.
Okay, and how do we do it?
The first thing we need is an instrument, so we can play the quarter note. Should we try it with an electric guitar? Let's go for it. Pay close attention to the metronome.
So cool. Why do we see that when there's no sound?
It's the quarter note rest. In music, the rest notes are just as important as the music played, and they last the same amount of time. What do you think of the quarter note and its rest note? Now I will explain the eighth note. Look, this is the eighth note. It's like the quarter note, but it has a bracket.
How else are they different?
An eighth note is played half as long as the quarter note. That means one quarter note is equal to...
2 eighth notes.
That's it. When two eighth notes appear together, they can also be represented like this. Let's listen to it with my guitar.
So that note that we see there, when we don't hear anything, is the eighth note's rest, right?
That's right, my friend. And this one here is the 16th note, which is equal to half of an eighth note. And if we add up 4 16th notes, it will be equal to a quarter note. The shape of the 16th note is like the eighth note, but it has another bracket.
It's really short, right?
Yeah, it's really short. Look here now.
I get it now. I see that the 16th note rest is like the 8th note rest, but with another bracket.
That's it. Did you get everything?
Yeah, the quarter note and its rest last one beat. The 8th note and its rest last a half beat. The 16th note and its rest notes last a fourth of a beat.
Well done.
Let's have a short discussion about the video. Now, in the video, we have seen the kinds of notes and how long they sound. And we also learn about the syllables that comes with the note. Okay, for example, the whole note. How many beats does the whole note gets? It sounds for how many counts? 4 counts or 4 beats. So, if you will play or if you will clap the whole note, you will say ta, because it will last for 4 counts. Ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you repeat after me? Ta. Good job. Now, the next note is the half note. The next note is a half note. A half note is like a whole note with a stem. Okay, but it's not shaded. A half note receives 2 beats. 1, 2. It means it will sound for 2 counts. Ta or ta. Okay, we clap. Whenever you see a half note, you will clap like this. Ta. Okay, can you repeat after me? Ta. One more time. Ta. Alright, let's go to the next note. The next note is a quarter note. A quarter note is a shaded half note. Okay, so a quarter note receives how many beats? Just 1. So just 1 clap. Ta. Okay, if you see a series of quarter note, like 4 quarter note, you will clap as ta, 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 ta. Alright, because a quarter note receives 1 beat. The next note is a eighth note. An eighth note receives 1/2 beat. Usually, eighth note appears in set of 2, like this. So we will clap it as TT. Can you repeat after me? TT. Okay. For example, you see 4 eighth note. How you will clap that? TT, TT. Very good. So quarter note is ta. Eighth note is TT. Half note is ta. And whole note is ta. Got that? Okay. For our activity for today, just follow the patterns that you will see on the screen, the series of patterns of ta and TTs. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, 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 ta. Ti, ti, 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 ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ti. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta. 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 Ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ta. Good job, everyone. So I hope you passed the stage 1. Just try to practice the activity. If you have a free time, just watch it again, repeat the video, and clap the patterns. For your assignment for this week, I want you to make and compose your own pattern of ta and titis. Alright? You need to draw the notes and write the letters, write the syllables ta and titis on the paper, and take a picture of it and send it to the assignment. Okay, you need to submit it on the assignment tab, not on the post area. Right? Again, you need to submit it on the assignment tab, not on the post area or the message on the chat box. Right? So that you can get the full credit of your assignment when you complete it. Bye. See you next week.